This is my framed 24 by 12 feet Intex above ground pool. This is just a quick walk around video just to give you the kind of the scope and the size of this pool. It takes about 8 or so hours to fill this up just from a garden hose with water, and then another 3 to 5 days really for it to kind of warm up to a decent temperature. But it comes with all this filtration system, the hoses, the fittings. It comes with everything that you need, all decent stuff, you know, no premium plumbing supplies, but this is the inside filter here. I just leave it running constantly and the water stays nice and clear. I don't want to mess with too many chemicals. It does come with basically everything that you need to set it up. It's a one-person setup, but it just goes faster with 2 people, probably 3 times as faster setting it up with 2 people than it does with 1. But I can do it by myself. I've had it for a few years, and the second year I did it by myself because I was excited to get in it. But this is a really great pool. For kind of the leveling, you know, when I originally put it up, I didn't have any fancy equipment. All I really did was strap a 12-foot long 2x4 to a broom, and I just dug down to you know, to make it level. I found the lowest point and then just kind of kept dragging that broom back and forth with that 2x4 attached, and that seemed to work out really well. You know, the one downside is the ladder. The ladder's nice and portable, but it's not really that strong, and I would recommend getting a replacement if you're feeling kind of uncomfortable, wobbly, or want to walk up the steps, turn around and come back down, back in. It tends to not have the widest frame to it. So that's kind of the one part of the kit where it is nice and portable and it stores away pretty good up in the attic of the garage. So that's nice, but it's not the sturdiest of ladders. But other than that, this pool has held up really great. It's a high quality pool, and my family enjoys it very much.